Good morning. For your literacy time today, I want you to do an activity with your words. Over the past couple days, I've given you a total of 15 words. I know that you guys were doing the rainbow right with. Today, I would like for you to choose 10 of those words. It doesn't matter what 10, but choose 10 of those words and write them on cards, index cards, or you could use a piece of paper that you cut into cards. But what you're going to do is you're going to end up making 20 cards, okay? So you're going to make two cards you're going to write each word on two cards. So you're going to choose 10 words, okay? And then you're going to write that word on two cards. So you're going to have two sets of 10 with those words, okay? So I wanted to give you an idea, if you have an index card, that's great, okay? But this is a really big index card. You could cut this index card in half to help yourself save paper, okay? So if one of my words that I chose was the word cactus, I would write cactus on two of these cards. Of course, I chose a marker that doesn't work. Try this one. All right, cactus. Okay, there's cactus on one card, and I'm gonna write it on another card now. Now I have cactus on two cards, okay? And I would do that for the other 9 words that I've chosen, okay? So I would have cactus on 2 cards. My next word might be contest. I would have that on 2 cards. Then you're gonna mix your cards up, all right? You're gonna shuffle them around. They're gonna be mixed up in all different kinds of orders. And you're gonna lay them out. It is a matching game, okay? You're gonna lay them out on your table and you're gonna flip a card over. When you flip the card over, you want to try to find the other card that says cactus. That's the game. You are trying to match this with the other cactus card, okay? By flipping them over and trying to remember where they were placed out, okay? So that's the game. Again, you can use index cards. You could also take a piece of paper, guys. Okay, you could fold this paper up, divide it in half, and cut it. You could even use recycled paper. You could, I thought about using the back of envelopes that mail has come in, okay? Your parents might have some blank mail or back of envelopes. So then I'm gonna cut this into cards. See, just like this. Super simple. And right there, I have my 20 cards, okay? And I did it just using a piece of paper, all right? So the cool thing is you are able to use any type of paper around your house, okay? And you're creating a matching game. So remember, you are using, pick 10 of the words, okay? You're gonna need a total of 20 cards because you're gonna write the word down twice on 2 different cards, okay? Then you're gonna turn them over and you're gonna pick a card up and you're gonna try to match it and find where the other card is in your, when your cards are laid out, okay? Have fun with this, guys. Keep practicing those words. Also, please read 30 minutes today. I would love for you to go onto Raz Kids and find a nonfiction book that you could read, okay? That's the Reading A to Z, Raz Kids, your parents have that information. If you don't have that, look around your house, see if you can find a nonfiction book. I know that I've sent home nonfiction books, I believe, with everybody inside of your packet as well. So I'll keep reading each day, guys, and have fun with this game today. Bye.